Hey, let me show you how to set up Sidebar on your Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Let's get started. So this function is really convenient if you want to have a quick access to favorite apps. For this, just open Settings and in the search settings, type in Sidebar. Then go there and enable Always Show. And now when you will swipe right from the left corner of the screen, you'll be able to open Quick Access panel. And here you can choose up to 10 apps which you can add, or you can remove not needed one by clicking on this plus and then removing not needed apps like this. When you're done, just click this done button. And now just swipe right, choose any app you want. You can resize it by dragging a corner, and you can also press and hold the indicator to move it around the screen like this. You can also close this floating window by dragging it to the right side, for example, like this. And now just drag inwards to open this floating window again. And to delete this app, you would need just swipe up like this. You can do just the same not only at the home page, but when, for example, scrolling through internet. Just swipe right like this and choose any app you want. Let's choose calculator. And now you'll be able to use two apps at the same time, internet and calculator. And I personally think that it is really convenient function. So use it and enjoy. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.